Hi everyone, so it's Angèle here, your TA. By now you've hopefully taken a look at your results from quiz 1. I haven't received any questions from anyone, but definitely if you have questions or problems, you can always reach out to Harvey or myself. I just wanted to go through some really common errors that I noticed in the short answer question of the quiz. And so let's talk about opportunity cost. So even if you don't understand it right now, at least memorize this sentence. The opportunity cost is the value of the best foregone alternative. Just memorize that. That's the first step. Second step, make sure that you understand what it means. It was clear that nobody understood it, and it's really, I shouldn't say nobody, but if you didn't understand opportunity cost, it really came through in the short answer question on the quiz. The second common error that I saw is that a lot of people wanted to include benefits when they were calculating an opportunity cost. That is not appropriate because we're not doing a cost benefit analysis at this point. Costs are to be kept separate from benefits. Even if you were doing a cost benefit analysis and finding the net benefit is very different than the opportunity cost. Opportunity cost ignores, the benefits that you get from engaging in a transaction, okay? It's just a cost. Money costs and time costs are separate, yes. But if you are given a monetary value for someone's time, use it in your calculation. There were so many students that were looking at, that had the boot camp question, the quit smoking boot camp question, and looking at the guy's time that he's giving up, his holiday time in the future, that he's giving up to attend this boot camp instead. We actually have a measure for the value of his time, and it was given by the amount that he would have gotten paid if he would have worked instead of going to the boot camp. So clearly you can use that, and depending which version of the question you had, it was either I think $1,000 or $1,200. But clearly you can use that as a proxy of the value of his time, because he's willing to accept that much money in exchange for a week of his time. So if you have a monetary value for someone's time, use it as a proxy instead of just saying his time and he could have gone on vacation and could have gone to the lake and blah, blah, blah. We have a dollar value, so we don't need to speculate about how he would use his time, okay? When you're calculating an opportunity cost, include a sum. So it's good to say, the $1,000, and it's good to say the $200 that was in the question, or depending what version you had, but sum it together. It shows comprehension. A lot of students lost marks for not including the sum. You maybe had the right components in there, but you didn't add them together to show that you understand this is the total opportunity cost, okay? And really those are, that wraps up really the problems the common problems I wanted to address in the short answer.